Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the project presentation of Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is an AI-powered digital payment platform designed to make transactions safe, transparent, user-friendly. Our team name is Do Apricot, a cross-function team blending strategy, design, and AI engineering. Let's introduce with our team. Our team consists of I myself, Sumaira Rahman Shoma. I lead the project planning and did the marketing strategy part, making sure everything stays organized. While my other teammates are Abu Bakr Siddiq, who handle front-end part and brings life to our ideas with a stunning UI. HM Mehdi Hossein drives our backend and AI system, making sure the logic runs flawlessly. While Chaudhry Shafed Rahman is a database designer and AI model trainer, he makes sure our data is well structured, flows perfectly across the system. Let's see what was our motivation behind the project by analyzing some user behavior and data. So, due to the seamless, fast, and cashless transaction offered by the digital payment services, the growth of the payment service provider and fintech industry in Bangladesh is accelerating rapidly. According to the late 2024 and 2025 data, there are 247 million customer account and 1.54 million merchant account, highlighting massive adoption and importance of these services across the country. Although the number of users and merchants is increasing, current PSPs still fail to give proper fraud protection, some hidden charges like tax, and from the merchant side, there is no personalized offer and which results in low engagement with users. In Bangladesh context, there are two common type of scams. The first involves OTP or PIN theft, where fraudster pretend to the customer support agents, contacts user via call or messages, and asking for a sensitive code to fix error or verify transactions. Many users, trusting these messages, unknowingly share their OTPs, leading to instant loss of funds. The second type is fake promotions or bonus offer. Scammers promises of cashbacks, special offers, deals to send money and user trust and send money and lose money. From the user behavior analysis of different datasets, we have seen that the 75% of users are convenience focused and 25% users are security cautious. And these 75% confidence focused as users are more prone to face the fraud. And the 25% user who are security cautious are just avoiding the digital transaction system because of this is gap. So according to different data set, we have also find out that about 10% of MPS users in Bangladesh have fallen victim to fraud, losing an average of BDT 9,200 taka, and which is causing a low trust in PSP system. And to address this issue, we built Trust Wallet, a comprehensive digital tool built for Bangladesh market featuring secure money transfer, real-time fraud detection using machine learning, and Bangladesh NID verification. Let's get started. So for security, we have just gone through bank-based security system with JW2 authentication and bicep password hashing and NID validation supporting 10, 13, and 17 digit format. So let's get signed in. So after signing in, it is a landing page. So in the landing page, I'm just going to see my total balance, add money, send money, and my all the transaction history, etc. So for example, for mistakenly you have just shared your OTP to some scammer, and the scammer main target will to just empty your wallet as soon as possible. So let's see, as a scammer, I'm just trying to just empty your wallet. And so, for example, if it is a 500 taka is your usual pattern, so the risk factor will be normal. So, for example, as a scammer, I'm just trying to send as money as possible. And if it is just detecting some unusual transaction pattern, the risk factor will be shown red. So for just fraud detection, we have tried different models, and XGBoost has given best results, and it is detecting fraud based on previous transaction pattern. And for anomaly detection, we have used rule based method. So for example, now I'm not a scammer, I just really want to send money 1,000, and for example, for 1,000 money, we can just see the all of the breakdown of the money, that how, what is the transaction fee, what is the service fee, etc. So let's continue the transaction process, and I'm just going to send money, and the money will be successfully transaction will be successful. So now let's go to the back to the page, and we have also introduced the merchant's personal offer system. So for example, in the merchant to pay, we can show all the offers, all the merchants or that I have already visited. And for the verification, we have just used the green badge. And if a merchant is verified, we are just going to show green badge. For example, Campus Cafe, and based on your spending pattern, frequency pattern, and your transaction behavior, so it was just going to give me personalized offer. And for this we have used AI clustering method, and for this we are going to see that for 20% off, and this is going to show based on our AI clustering method. And now I'm just going to pay, and it is just going to show me the 500 taka, what is the transaction fee, VAT, etc. Now I'm just going to the confirmation payment, and I'm just going to back to home. And that's how we are just dealing with the fraud detection, and as well as the personalized merchants offer. So these are some mobile financial service provider which have similar value proposition. And let's see how Trust Wallet stands out from other fintech and payment service platform. When it comes to fraud protection, current people lack real-time fraud detection, whereas Trust Wallet uses AI to detect fraud in real time. In terms of transparency, other platform does not show full cost breakdown like hidden tax, etc. While we show full breakdown, what amount is taken for service pay and what amount is taken for other kind of users, is so that user can know the full breakdown. Then we have merchants offer. While others show the same deals for everyone, we personalize them based on their user behavior. And that's how Trust Wallet becomes the first smart, secure transaction that earns user trust. Now let's look at the Bangladesh fintech and PSP market. Bangladesh MEPS alone handled 51.10 USD billion in transaction in 2025. While the exact revenue-based market size is not publicly available, we estimate that the overall market could go to 85.78 USD in within 2030, which means that the market is growing almost 11% every year. If we look at the player like Bikash, it reached more than 50% of the market share in first 5 years because it was simple and came at the right moment. But user expectation has changed. They really want something transparent, personalized offer, and stronger fraud protection. And that's where the Trust Wallet has a growth potentiality. So our target market is user, from the user perspective, rural and first-time digital user, urban tech-savvy youth, security-cautious users, and from the merchant side, small and medium enterprises and the online sellers and the services that really want to give a personalized offer to just increase their growth. Now, let's look at the vision for the next 12 months. So for the first 3 months, we will try to build product and user level MVP. And within 6 months, we will try to do a pilot launch with bank and PSP support. And within 9 months, we will try to roll out influencer-led digital campaign so that we can reach out to the market and user. And within 12 months, we will try to do our national wide launch of our product and try to reach 100K plus user. And what is our need? We need investment for market reach and partnership with bank and PSP for transaction and compliance, and mentorship for scaling the app and user adoption strategy. So that's all of it. Thank you all.